Hello, my name is Vlada Lisinenko, and I'm teacher of the course Laughter Yoga. It is a part of the program Breath and Laughter. I can say one thing. I can promise you that I will never push you to laugh, and you will not push yourself because there is also a part in this name, yoga, and yoga is about to listen to your body and not to push yourself to anything, not to force yourself, but just come out with something naturally. It is not the purpose to laugh hard and also to laugh from the first workshop, from the first lesson. The purpose is to experience the deepening of your breathing, release in your body of an old tension. And maybe you decided somehow in your life not to laugh anymore and maybe also not to cry anymore. I understand it very well. Sometimes it is cultural based, and sometimes it came because of the situation. And I am also known with such a situation when I was 10 years old, and my laughter was very funny, and children were laughing so hard about that I decided not to laugh anymore. And just years later, when I had maybe different friends, different surrounding, I allowed myself to laugh and I could experience that joy again. So the purpose is just to learn to relax yourself and to open your body, to release yourself from the tension. And when it is scared, to be in the surrounding of people who are laughing and maybe even just carefully, softly laughing, and feel. Maybe you will find a small smile inside yourself, or maybe even laughter, and experience that smile on your face and feeling like your body is opening, relaxing, and releasing something. Maybe something from the last time, stress. Maybe some thoughts will just disappear and you will have more clear mind and a more open body to do next steps in something. So welcome to any workshop or course and experience it by yourself.